Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. Today, we would like to present our findings from the site visit conducted for the Records Management for Office Professional OBM247 course at Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu. First and foremost, I will briefly introduce the organisation. Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu is a government agency under the Terengganu State Government that is responsible for district administration, land management, public services and implementing government policies. The organisation is led by the District Officer Yang Berusaha Tuan Haji Azran Amin bin Mazlan with the support of two Senior Assistant District Officer Encik Muhammad Azmi bin Mustafa and Yang Mulia Sharifah Nabihah binti Said Omar. The organisation aims to improve service delivery, strengthen governance and integrity, enhance land administration, develop public infrastructure and promote community well-being. Its vision is to provide efficient, effective and integrity-driven services, while its mission is to strengthen district development and land administration. Next, the slogan of Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu is Serving Customers Simplifying Matters. This reflects its commitment to providing efficient and customer-friendly public services. For the location, the office is located at Complex Seri Iman, Jalan Sultan Muhammad, Kuala Terengganu. Among the services provided are district administration, public administration, development programs, community safety coordination and quality management services. Lastly, the history of Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu dates back to the British administration period between 1920 to 1942. The first Malay district officer was appointed in 1955 and since 1 August 1998, the office has been operating at its current location where it continues to serve the community.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Munia Amira binti Muhammad Faisal and I will be presenting the Electronic Records Management and Filing System used at Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu. Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu use two categories of subject files, which are functional records and housekeeping records. Functional records are related to land administration activities, while housekeeping records are to support daily office operations. Next, I will explain the filing system, storage method and the type of system used. First is the filing system. The organisation uses a subject filing system and a numeric filing system. The numeric codes from 100 to 500 are used to sort and organize the files. Next is the storage method. The files are kept on an open file racks and in filing cabinet labeled A to H. The files are placed vertically and closed files are kept in a separate section called file tutup. Lastly, the organisation uses an offline system. This means all records are kept as a physical files in a filing cabinets. A logbook is used to record and track the files so they can easily find it.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adwa Zafira binti Muhammad Azizan and I will explain the procedure of filing the records. Based on our site visit to bahagian pentadbiran Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu, the filing process begins when documents are received. Since the department uses a manual filing system, all documents are printed before filing. They are then stamped with the receipt date and either a red or blue stamp, where red is for incoming documents and blue is for outgoing documents. Next, the documents are sent to the responsible officer and classified using the file title and reference number based on the Archive Negara Malaysia system. For file control, every borrowed file is recorded with the borrower's name and file details so the staff can track its movement. Finally, inactive records are stored separately with active records so the staff can find the file easily. Now is the life cycle of record. It starts with creation, where new records are received for credit. The staff, which is Mrs. Nurul Ain Ramli, will check and register the record before they are being processed. Next is distribution, where the records are sent to the responsible officer or department for further action. Then the use stage, the records are used for daily office work. After that, the record enter the maintenance stage, where there are files using the correct file title and reference number, while active and inactive records are stored separately to differentiate them. Finally, after 5 years, the record will be reviewed by Archive Negara Malaysia before the disposal process. Closed personal files are kept for permanent preservation, while approved record will be disposed by burning or burying.
Next, I will explain the inward and outward correspondence process at Pejabat Daerah dan Tanah Kuala Terengganu. For inward correspondence, every incoming letter is stamped with a red receipt stamp and the date of receipt. The details are then recorded in the system pengurusan file before the letter is filed according to its subject. At the end of each month, a record of all incoming letter is printed for documentation. And for outward correspondence, every outgoing letter must first be approved by the district officer. It is then registered, given a reference number, stamped with a black or blue official stamp, and a copy is kept for filing process.
Now, the management of active, inactive and long-term records in the company. Other records from active, inactive and long-term records will be saved at Billet Crystal. Now, active records will be kept in the rack within the room in case they will need for any users. For the inactive records will be closed after 5 years. Other files and records will have a red line with a cap. Telah ditutup and will be sent to the Archive Negara for the disposal process. And the last one is the long-term records. All files will keep in one cabinet in the same room and not will disposal. Personal files such as government records will be kept stored. And only superior can access to the open long-term records.
Next This is our comment and recommendation based on the site visit. First, we recommend using an electronic file tracking system instead of manual notebook to make the file borrowing easier to track and reduce the risk of lost files. Second, the office should strengthen the security of electronic records by using regular data backup, strong password, and limiting access to authorized staff. And lastly, regular training should also be provided to staff so they can improve their records management skills, reduce filing mistakes, and stay updated to the latest technology.
In conclusion, our site visit to Pejabat Daerah Kuala Terengganu gave us a valuable practical exposure to records management in a government organisation. We learned that the office used both manual and electronic filing system while following the guidelines of Arkib Negara Malaysia to ensure records are well organised, secure and easy to retrieve. Overall, this visit enhanced our understanding of the importance of effective record management in supporting efficient public service. That's all from us. Thank you.